Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome in. We're going to talk about the top stock picks of the week. You know me, no BS, just jump right into it. Number one is SPY. Just a quick analysis here. I've seen so many traders out there on FinTwit and in the trading community recently get absolutely destroyed in this market trying to go short because of a bias that they think that this market should come down. And that is not what the price action is telling us at all. Even up till Friday last week, big breakout day of the out of the recent consolidation, top side. So we're just looking for continuation here. And I think that we would be wise to continue to look for continuations all around the market until something tells us otherwise. So SPY, simply put, long idea above the most recent high. That's going to be a break above 429 or 430. If I kind of zoom out, we do have some resistance over here at around 430. So I like the idea of going long on SPY after it breaks 430, if it can break 430. Otherwise, if it does pull back, if we do see a pullback, there is a slight gap here under $424. It's only $1 down to 423. But I think that given this resistance at 423, it absolutely should hold that level as a point of support this week if we are to continue up on this most recent uptrend. So besides SPY, number one on the watch list is going to be AMD. We all know the deal here. It's been running up. NVIDIA's been running up. It's been kind of crazy with the AI and the semiconductor sector. There's a gap up here on AMD, but since blasting off into Mars, AMD is pulling back to earth. We've got a gap below $116 down to about 110. It's trading fairly close to 116 at this time. So we're going to be looking to take AMD short this week under $116. I'm not really keen on going long on AMD unless it gets back up to 130. Number two on the watch list is going to be Tesla. So we've talked about Tesla. It's been on my watch list for the past couple of weeks, and for good reason, right? It's just continuing to push up, push up, push up. Last week, reclaimed the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, reclaimed the $200 whole number, gave us a move up to about $217 or so. So much like SPY, just looking for the continuation watch here. Looking for higher highs on Tesla will be a long idea above $218 this week. Google, GOOGL, next one on the watch list, and it's probably one of my favorite setups this week. It's been running up with a lot of these other names, but has since started to consolidate. We're looking at about 6 to 9 days here of consolidation, most recently the past 6 trading days, within a range, with support down here at 122, resistance up here at 126. Absolutely no bias on Google, just looking for a break of this range. So I'm going to look to take Google long above 126 or take Google short below 122, whatever it decides to give us. Next one on the watch list is PLUG. This is actually one that I'm currently swing trading. Got an entry a little high, I will admit, around 880. It pulled back. My stop loss is $8. Almost got stopped out last week, but it held 8 as support. So much like Google, it is forming a range. $8 as your support, $9 as your point of resistance overhead. This week, looking for a break of $9 for the run up to that 50 EMA, looking for the move up to about 940 or so. Next one on the watch list, ROKU, ROKU. I really like this setup. I just don't know if it's going to give us the follow through that I'm thinking it might give us. Last week, I was looking for a break of $59. We got the break of $59 at the end of the week, but no real big move here. Not yet, at least. ROKU has pushed up off of the 50 EMA. It has broken this recent level of resistance. I'll draw a trend line so it's a little cleaner, but no blast off move yet. So this old support at 61 now becoming new resistance, looking for the move above 61. And I'm kind of looking for like a larger big day, green candle move on ROKU. We'll see if we get it or not. Needs to absolutely hold up above 59 though to be relevant. Microsoft, MSFT, next one on the watch list. Real simple trade idea here. It's just going to be a continuation watch. Long above 338, looking for more recent higher highs. Meta, same deal. Meta has a gap on the daily up to about $317, so it's still working on filling this mega gap. You can't see it on this time frame. I'd have to go back a little further, but trust me, it is there. So every higher high on Meta from here on out up to $317 is going to be a gap fill. So Meta this week will be a long idea above 276 if it can get there. Not really looking to take this short at this time. It's just too strong. Next one on the watch list, Amazon. Sorry, I have some markers here. We'll clean that up. So Amazon did give us a break of the recent consolidation, pushed up a little higher, but ultimately really couldn't sustain that move, kind of pulled back a little bit. So I'm looking for Amazon to hold 123 as a point of support, and then much like the other names, just looking for higher recent highs. So Amazon will be a long idea above 126.5 this week, if it can get there. And then the big one to watch is going to be Apple. So Apple, if I back this up on the weekly time frame and just go max available here for my time interval, we are Apple is extremely close to the all-time highs. It's about $1 off. We're trading at 182. All-time highs are at almost 183. That's going to be a big deal for Apple. And there aren't many stocks right now that are trading at the all-time highs. So just set your alerts on this. Apple, long idea above $183 for a new all-time high, incredibly in this market. But hey, like I said, price action is the price action, and we have to go off of what we see, not what we think. All right, that's it for the watch list. Thank you all so much for your time. Press the like button for me if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. I'd greatly appreciate it. And good luck this week. Trade your plan your trade. Take care.